To enter the dose programming mode on the Sanremo Verona RS, first press and hold the continuous dose button on Group 1. Group 1 is the master, while Groups 2, and if you have it 3, would be the slaves. Push and hold until we see dose setting select on the touch display on the right hand side of the machine. Let go. You will now take a portafilter with a dose of coffee, lock it into the left hand head and choose one of the 4 dose buttons. You'd press to start the dose and press again when your desired dose volume has been hit. When the programming mode times out, it will copy across to the second group and the third if you have it. To enter the barista programming menus, push and hold the bottom left hand side of the touch display until the display changes. In the barista menu, we can adjust the dose, the temperature of the group heads, the clock. You can view audit trails. You can also adjust the pre-infusion, run an auto-cleaning backflush on both heads, adjust the cup warmer, and turn off the LED lights. To exit the barista programming menu, push the X. To run an auto-cleaning cycle on the Verona RS, push button 1 and 5 simultaneously. The Verona RS has individual group boilers behind each head. These can be turned off to save power or to advise staff on site that they've been cleaned and aren't to be used for the rest of the day. To turn off each group individually, push and hold button 5 and then press button 2. To turn the groups on, repeat the procedure. To put the whole machine into standby, push and hold button 5 on Group 1 and then push button 3. To turn the machine back on again, you can either push button 3 or the on button on the touch display. To access the technical menu on the Verona RS, the machine will first need to be put into standby. Push and hold button 5, then press button 3. With the machine in standby, push and hold the left side of the touch display until it prompts you for a password. The password is button 1 5 times. In this menu, we can now adjust the item using the plus and the minus and the tick to save and move on to the next portion of the menu, or we can use button 1 and 2 to adjust the setting and button 5 to save and move on to the next portion of the menu. To exit the technical menu, push button 5 until you see off on the touch display and then push button 3 to turn the machine back on again.